Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raquel and today I'm just gonna be revealing my morning routine smoothies that I usually take. This is how I really start my day. And please, before I go into any details, just follow your girl. And for those people who have really actually subscribed on my channel, please, I cannot really say enough of really, you guys have brought me way too far. Thank you so much for liking my videos, and for those who have commented, I really appreciate. Your girl Raquel really appreciates you. And let's just go straight to the point. I'm just going to be making a very simple smoothie, a little lighter, not too green, but very light and very healthy. This is what I've decided today to present to you. I have some curd salad, I have some grapes, I have some almond milk, which is over right here. I have honey, and I have some Greek yogurt. So please just follow me up, and I hope you like this smoothie, guys. I tell you, it's a bomb. It's like amazing. Like, you can also try to find your way how you can mix your smoothies, but this is how I do my smoothies. I already have some grapes over here in the smoothies. I don't usually make some I don't usually take measurements because these are smoothies that are owned by Raquel. I take them according to how I really feel. Take some salad inside of it because I'm very lazy by chewing it, and I think that would really be enough. Actually, I won't use this honey because the yogurt already has honey in it, inside it. So yeah, I'm just gonna put the honey. It's a very great combination. I'll put the whole of it, the whole pack of the yogurt. You can see, like, this is the honey. It's mixed with the honey. And then I'll get the almond milk. Try to see that it can really go inside. So, and I'm sure that's that's good enough for me to have the very great mixture, not too thick. So this is the cover for my blender right over here, and I'll just go straight put it here in my smoothie maker. Guys, that's all, and I'll just have a little bit of some taste. I really need to know what exactly that I've made. Wow, guys, you have to try this out. Please do me a favor and try these smoothies out. So this is how I'll just start my day, and that's smoothie number one. As you can really see right over here, but it's just behind me, I'm gonna be making my second smoothie that I usually have for my day. I have what they call celery, I have grapes, I have kiwi fruit, which I'm gonna be chopping, I have parsley, I have baby spinach, I have lemon, and for a little bit of some taste, I think I'll have to put a banana, and I have what they call matcha tea, which is already here. That's something that is fluid that I'm gonna be using. For the first smoothie, I used almond milk, which is right over here, and because I need a little bit of more of the protein, I might use this, but let's just try to see. I've decided to use just matcha tea with lemon. And please just follow me as I do my second smoothie test, and maybe you'll like it, but we will be testing together, and just follow me up. This is my tin, like the one I usually use. I'll put baby spinach first. And then I also add a little bit of this. How do you guys call this salad? I don't really know. I can't find the name for it. And then I'll put parsley. And then I'll put my grapefruits, my grapes. And then I want to put a little bit of some green apples. So I'll put a little bit of some lemon, because lemons are very good for detoxing. So once that is done, I'll make sure I finish all the baby spinach. Add my kiwi. One full kiwi. And then I'll put my celery as well. Cut it in 2 small pieces. And for the matcha tea, which is right over here, I'm just gonna put the matcha tea here, 1 cup of it. Once that is done, I'm just gonna go straight to my cover. I put my cover to start off with my blender, or you might call it a smooth mixer. So I'm sure that is done. And I'm just gonna get a straw right over here. And let's just taste. Jesus Christ. Everyone needs to try out this smoothie, guys. But I'm just gonna add a little bit of a banana so that it gives me a little more taste. It's more of the green. I don't really get the other taste that I want. If I need to add some honey, I can add a little bit of some honey, but I don't want to add the honey. Let me just add on a little bit of some banana, because that is something that is missing. Just put the banana. I wish I could share this smoothie with you guys. I am telling you, you're gonna love it. You might not even need to have anything else for the day. Depends on how you like. So guys, thank you so much for watching me, and I will be taking you to my number 3 smoothie. And let's go to number 3 smoothie. As you can really see what I have here before you guys and before the camera, I'm just gonna try to do something a little more colorful. Not too much of green, but this one is gonna be with a booster for like more proteins in my body. And I'm gonna use the protein milk, and I'm gonna use soya milk as well. And then I'll use a little bit of some carrots. It's gonna be a little more colorful shake. And I have pineapples, I have mint, I have banana, I have a pear, I have a little bit of this. What do you call these guys? For me, I actually just know them back then from Uganda. We used to have them here. It's physalis. And yeah, and then I have ginger, which I already peeled. Yes, wait, I usually buy the bio ginger right over here, and I have red apples, and then let me just go take you through. I'm gonna start with the milk. By measuring the milk, I won't be having too much. 1 glass soya milk mixed together with the protein milk. So I'm just going to put the milk right over here to avoid messes. Add the banana, put the mint, the pears, the pear, however you call it. Yeah, so and put my pineapple. So you guys, you can also write to me and tell me what you normally make, how you normally make with your smoothies. And I have to add this. So I usually put preferably with the measurements of my own wish. So that's gonna be okay. Then I'll just cut my ginger. The ginger, a few pieces right over here, and then I'll add the milk. Let's just go try to, let's start with what I already have. So once that is done, I just want to take a new straw and just try to taste. Let me taste before the camera. So now guys, you know how I usually do my smoothies, and I'll also be adding a little bit of more of my smoothies. I have varieties of smoothies. Oh guys, this is really So if I wanted, I can just add a little bit of some more carrot juice, which I already have over there. And so far, these are some of the smoothies that I've just managed today to make for you guys, and I would not really like one single day just like this that you miss out in any of my videos. Please subscribe and just leave a comment below and tell me which one was your favorite smoothie. And I'll also be introducing you more of the smoothies, and as you have seen on video, how I mix my things. I don't make it really so complicated, very simple. Kids can have these smoothies, a child around 5, like depends really, 4 years old up to 100 years. Anybody can have a smoothie if you're not really allergic to any of the things that I have just put. If you're allergic to anything, please just skip that one fruit out, or skip out the salad that you don't want to have in your smoothie, or if you don't like to eat it, and just put it on the other side and just go ahead with the rest. Otherwise guys, I can't thank you enough. Raquel Joy is your girl. Please, thank you so much for watching, and that was my video for today. Bye.